This will be a video on a Duetz-Allis four-wheel drive diesel tractor with loader. Gonna have a PTO, 3-point, some auxiliary hydraulics. Looks like those are going up for the loader situation there. Yeah, bucket. You can have a little ball hitch on there. You can move trailers around. Pretty nice. Some little hooks on the edges. Overall, not too bad. She runs really good. I was just driving her up. I was like, pretty good for a couple hours. 2,600 hours on there. Not positive on the year. Let's see if we can narrow something down. There's the serial number. Let's see. Yeah, that's about it. Let me go back over here and give this off to my video stand. Okay. Keep the fingers off of the screen. Okay. Turned on the PTO spinning. I'm going to do the 3-point up and down. Down. And there you go. That works. PTO works. Get the PTO off, and yeah, that's about it on the Duetz-Allis four-wheel drive diesel. All right, catch you on the next one.